Alright, I've got a 2016 Chevy Trax that the heater control is not working. It's not switching from hot to cold or back. So the piece you buy, it goes from over here, the little white gear, or the white section with the black gear around it, goes from there, runs a cable all the way over here to the knob itself. So to gain access to that, there's a trim piece here. It just pops out. You lift up your little shifter bezel. I know it's turned around. It normally sits like this. And I took the little light bulb loose. Then you have this piece here. You take the two screws out of it, and it actually does separate. It's got little push clips from the cup holder, or the little, just little cubby hole that's right there. So it'll separate. Then you have two screws here, and then you have your radio trim. It'll pop out. Use your little plastic trim tools to get up under the bottom, and it'll pull out, and it's loose, and you can remove it out of the way. Then for that panel, the heater panel, you have two more screws right here. Give me a second, I'm gonna take those loose and I'll continue from there. Alright, so I've taken those two screws loose, and I already had the bottom two out. You take it, just pull out at the bottom a little bit, slide it down. It does wiggle out. There you go, pull the bottom a little bit more, and there you have it. Right there are your controls. As you can see, the cable will break on the heater control. I will assume that it will eventually do the same thing over here on your vent control as well. So to release it, it has a little push tab, and you'll release it there. And then over here, it has a single screw. I have to take it loose. I'm going to take those two loose, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the bolt out. The bolt head is a 5.5 millimeter. So once you take that bolt out, it comes loose, and then just gently have to feed it around, pull it out. It's going to take both hands to do this, so I'm going to set the phone back down. So as I sat here fighting with it, trying to fish it out, I realized there's a pretty big size opening behind the radio. So if you take the four screws out of the radio, you can hold it up and fish that through a little bit easier. Alright, so the gear is clocked on the box itself, as well as the one on the back side of your knob. It is clocked as well, so you'll have to probably play with it just a little bit to get it lined up perfectly. But once everything is all lined up, you should be able to rotate all the way over to cold, then back to center, and then all the way back to hot. And once you do that, you can take your 7mm screws, screw the radio back in, screw your panel back in, pop your couple clips back in, and you are all finished with it. Thanks for watching.